Joe, and in today's video I have the brand new iPhone XR here with me today, and I'm gonna unbox it for you, show you what's in the box, how the iPhone XR looks like, and how does it compare to the iPhone XS from the outside. So let's get rolling. Okay guys, so the box is actually pretty beautiful. It's kind of like the iPhone XS box, but it has a different kind of wallpaper on there, and they're not trying to hide the Face ID over here. They probably want to show that this phone actually does have that. So pretty standard. This is a European version. Now I have, to be honest with you guys, already opened this box, but I'm going to do it again. So here you have the paperwork, which I take out. This is a product red phone, so you get the product red little pamphlet and the hello documentation over there, and the SIM ejector tool, and two Apple stickers, which are gorgeous. And here you have the phone, which is already activated, but let's just clear that notification and tell no one about it. Now, inside the box, oh my God, this actually looks gorgeous. This is such a beautiful piece of technology right here in my hand. I love this product red color. Now this phone actually comes in 6 colors altogether: black, white, blue, yellow, red, and coral. So these are the colors. Let me just put this aside and show you. Over here we have the European version of the little power brick, and we have headphones, but there are no adapters in here, so it's just a traditional iPhone Lightning headphones. As you can see, if I open this up, they're Lightning, no USB to be found anywhere, and we get the cable, and that's what's inside the box. Now with everything out of the picture, let's get rolling with the iPhone XR. Now this phone is beautiful. The first thing we can notice is obviously the colors. This one is red, which we have seen previously with iPhone 8 in a product red version, but it comes in other colors, as I have mentioned before. Those are actually pretty beautiful colors. Now on the side, the side of the phone, or the whole antenna around the phone, is made of aluminum. There you have the power button, there you have the SIM tray, which is very low compared to the previous generations of phones. It's very close to the bottom, this one over here. Now the screen in the front is a full bezel or from top to bottom, side to side screen. There are just very minimal bezels around here. On the other side you have your speaker rockers, and you have the little silencer switch down here. You still get these little bands over here, that's for the antennas, but that's something Apple needs with this kind of antenna system that they're rocking with these iPhones. Now on the back you can actually see the product red, the logo over here, iPhone, and one camera. So that's the only camera you get over there. It's the same as in the iPhone XS. It's 12 megapixels and it's gorgeous. Now the biggest difference with this phone is that it has an LCD screen compared to an iPhone X that has OLED. Now that means the blacks are blacker and it's just a better contrast ratio between the two phones. Other than that, you can see that there's a size difference between the phones. iPhone XR is a little bit bigger than the traditional iPhone XS, but it's smaller than the iPhone XS Max, so you get 3 sizes this here. Now, we're just focusing on the outside of the phones. So you can see, oh my God, these actually look pretty dope next to each other, the black and red iPhones. Wow, nice. So you can see that there is a size difference. Not much, but still, there is. On the back, you will be able to differentiate these phones because of the camera. This iPhone XS has dual camera system, while this one only has a single camera system. The flash is right below with both phones, but in the XR case, the flash is actually under the glass, which I forgot to mention, that the iPhone XR has a glass back, which means there is wireless charging in there, just like on the iPhone XS. If we come to the other side, you can see that while the iPhone XS is stainless steel, this is aluminum, and you can see that it's like matte. The coloring is matte on the iPhone XR. it's actually a different color. So if I look at the red on here and under the glass and the red on the aluminum, it's different. This will probably scratch more than the back, and the colors will probably be able to hide the scratches a lot better. Now, if we look at the bottom of these phones, you can see that the iPhone XR has still got the symmetrical speaker and microphone grills over here, while the iPhone X actually lost, or XS lost 3 of them due to this band over here. I prefer the iPhone XR version a lot better. Now, we can also see that Apple did not color the screws to the corresponding color, just like they did with the iPhone XS. I think it's just a nuance, but Apple usually looks at these kind of things and they do it because these nuances make Apple what it is. Anyway, guys, this is the iPhone XS and XR side by side. I'm going to do an in-depth comparison between the two and have a review video up soon. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe if you want, like if you need to, and stay safe until my next video.